Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the first video of the series of videos about Microsoft Fabric which I'm going to create. This is a bit introductory video where I talked about what is Microsoft Fabric and what are the components available in Microsoft Fabric, what are the capabilities of Microsoft Fabric and the various components in detailed manner. Bit exploratory video, maybe a little boring but very important to understand the basics of Microsoft Fabric. You need to tell me how this video is going and how you liked it, if any issues are there with the video so that I can change the pattern. However, the next video onwards, all practical scenarios will be discussed with the raw data and how to use the data inside Microsoft Fabric and use different components of or services of Microsoft Fabric. My request is to watch this video completely to understand the concept so that you can comment upon it and give a feedback to me, and your feedback is very important to us. So let's get into the video and understand the basics. Let us understand about Microsoft Fabric. So, what is Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is a comprehensive end-to-end analytics and data platform designed for enterprises seeking unified solution. Microsoft Fabric combines key functionalities like data movement, processing, ingestion, transformation, real-time event routing, and report creation into one cohesive platform. That means all-in-one platform and a unified solution. Also, it offers wide range of services including data engineering, data factory, data science, real-time analytics, data warehousing, and databases. Unlike the need to integrate services from multiple vendors, Fabric delivers seamlessly integrated and user-friendly experience that simplifies analytics workflows. So during the next video, you will understand this particular experience. Now, since it is built on a software as a service model, it brings efficiency and simplicity to enterprise data solutions. Fabric unifies its components into a single cohesive stack. So it combines all analytics components into one single solution. Instead of managing multiple databases or data warehouses, you can centralize your data with one link. So centralized data storage. Now the very important point is AI. Now AI capabilities are natively embedded, removing the hassle of manual integration. And with Microsoft Fabric, transforming raw data into actionable business insights has never been easier. Let us understand the capabilities of Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric offers a comprehensive set of capabilities designed to boost productivity, streamline data management, and integrate AI seamlessly. It is offering role-specific workloads, tailored solutions for various organizational roles, equipping users with the tools they need. A unified data lake for simplified data management and seamless access. Of course, AI help is already there, AI-driven assistance that provides intelligent suggestions and automate tasks for enhanced efficiency. It is completely integrated with Microsoft 365. So smooth collaboration and productivity through seamless integration with Microsoft 365 tools. Advanced AI and machine learning capabilities for building and deploying AI models very effectively and efficiently. And unified data management with centralized data discovery for simplified governance, easy sharing, and streamlined access. As a summary, Fabric makes data integration and management effortless, providing a secure, centralized platform for collaboration and innovation. So it integrates workloads like data engineering, data factory, data science, data warehouse, and real-time intelligence, other industry solutions as required. Microsoft Fabric is a unified analytics platform. Microsoft Fabric brings together powerful tools and experiences to streamline analytics and data management tailored to specific roles and tasks. Here is a quick overview of key components. The first one is Power BI. Easily connect to the data, visualize the insights, and share reports to make better decisions. Databases, developer friendly transactional databases with seamless data mirroring to Fabric's OneLake. Data Factory simplifies data integration and transformation with Power Query and almost 200 plus connectors for on-premise and cloud data. Industry solutions. Pre-built analytics and data management tailored for specific industries. Real-time intelligence. Manage event-driven data streaming and real-time insights with no-code connectors. Then the data engineering. Build, deploy, and integrate machine learning models with Azure ML for predictive analytics. Finally, the data warehousing. Scalable, high-performance SQL storage with Delta Lake format for optimized analytics.